What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dame Untamed. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nikki and I am a travel enthusiast with a passion for all things nature and adventure. In this week's episode, we are headed to Huacachina, Peru to explore a real-life desert oasis. When translated, Huacachina means Oasis of the Weeping Woman. According to legend, in a classic love story, the Huacachina was an Incan princess who fell in love with a prince. That's not shocking at all. The prince died suddenly, sending the princess into a world of despair, crying so much that she created the lagoon. One day, while bathing in the lagoon of her own tears, she's startled by a hunter, and as she flees, her garments stream behind her and create the sand dunes. It's said that the Huacachina now lives in the lagoon as a mermaid and can choose to take the lives of anyone who dares swim in her tears. Believe it or not. Okay, so when my travel buddy Allie and I arrived in Huacachina, we were super stoked because we had heard so many cool things about this place. We booked our accommodation at Bananas Adventure Hostel through hostelworld.com, which is totally my favorite place to book any of my accommodation while I'm traveling. This hostel was clean, it was fun, it had a bar and a pool, which is always a plus. And $31 Canadian got us a comfortable sleep in a 6-bed dorm, breakfast, and one included activity of our choice. The activities to choose from were a dune buggy and sandboarding tour, a pisco and wine tasting tour, or a barbecue dinner. The wine tasting was pretty tempting, but obviously we decided to go with the most thrilling and adventurous option. It's me we're talking about, duh. highly recommend checking out Huacachina if you are planning on visiting Peru. If you enjoy a good thrill and don't mind having a whole lot of sand up in your grill, the Sandboarding and Dune Buggy tour is definitely for you. As always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you are notified when I make my next upload. I'll see you next time.